Welcome to the Solthrone Shill Bot Guide. Our tools are very easy to use. You don't have to install anything or know how to code. Just one click and you're ready to go. This shill bot promotes your token on other Pump Fund token pages. You can choose to target new tokens and Koth tokens, or focus on tokens with a specific market cap. If you need a bot to make your token page more active, please check out our Pump Fund comment bot. As you can see, our app has multiple tabs. I'll explain each one step by step. We have the Account tab, the Shill tab, and the Settings tab. In the Account tab, you manage the accounts used for shilling. You can create a new account by clicking the Create Single Account button, which creates and connects one account at a time. If you want to create multiple accounts at once, click the Create Bulk Accounts button, choose how many accounts you want, and then press the Generate button. Finally, wait until the process is complete. Additionally, if you're already using our other tools, you can easily import those accounts by clicking the Import Accounts button. Now let's add a proxy. Without a proxy, you'll be blocked from writing after a few comments, so setting it up is important. If you don't have a proxy, simply click the Get Residential Proxy button to purchase one. Please note, we don't receive any benefits from Oxylabs. It's just the provider that worked best for us. You can use another provider if you prefer. You can either enter your proxy details one field at a time, as shown here, or simply paste the entire proxy URL. The URL might start with HTTP or not, as shown in our example file. Once you've added the proxy, click the Save Proxy button. Since we've already created our accounts, we can now go to the Shill tab. In this tab, you'll choose where to post your comments and decide which comments to post. You can choose to post only on new tokens and tokens that are on KOTH, King of the Hill, or you can select tokens based on a specific market cap. This helps you avoid posting on random tokens. Additionally, you can set the minimum and maximum market cap range, as well as the minimum and maximum number of buys for the token. Since the first option is easy to understand, let's try the specific market cap option. Now we can add our shill comment by pressing the Add Shill Comment button. If you want, you can also include an image that will appear in the comment. You must add at least 3 comments before you start shilling. This ensures you don't post the same text repeatedly, which could be flagged as spam. If you want to add multiple comments at once, press the Paste Comments button. You can paste prepared comments from another source or write one comment per line. You can add as many comments as you want. For now, let's start with these. Now that we've set where to shill and added our comments, let's proceed with the rest of the settings. If you select the loop box, your comments will be posted continuously. Once all comments are posted, the bot will start from the top again until you stop it. In the delay field, you can set the number of seconds to wait between each comment. For posting mode, there are 2 options. You can use your existing accounts that were previously created. These accounts will be used in order, and once all are used, they will start from the beginning. Alternatively, you can use a new account for each comment you post. First, select the option to use existing accounts and make sure the loop option is checked. Then run your bot to start shilling. On the right side, you can see your comments being posted on other tokens. It displays the token address and market cap for each token, and you can verify details by clicking the View button next to the token's market cap. We've posted a few comments. Let's stop the bot and check them. Let's open the last token and check if the comment was posted. As you can see, the comment is there. Now let's check the other tokens from the beginning. They should display each comment in the correct order. You can see the Solthrone comment here, which is our first comment on the list. Now let's check the second comment to see if the LFG comment is displayed. It is there as well, just like the other comment. Sometimes a comment may fail to post, but this doesn't happen very often. Let's reset the progress and start shilling using a brand new account for each comment. Let's stop the bot after the first token and then check if the account used appears in our list of existing accounts. As you can see, it doesn't appear in our list. In this mode, we create one-time use accounts that aren't stored for future use. That's it. I hope this guide helps you understand every option. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask us on any platform. You can find all our contact options and other tools at solthrone.com. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for new tools.